Greetings from Goa. We have come here with our entire Evo custom car team today for the EMA competition. Here is the arena and we've got the parking lot right here. We've got the judging area, very well organized. It looks beautiful. The weather is all right. Usually Goa gets really sticky, but today it's been fine. So we are here for the EMA competition. We have come in with 6 cars from Evo Custom Car. Today 4 of those cars will be judged. We are in various different categories. So let's see how things are going. So here's the Honda Accord which we are competing with. This is going to be in the Master category, Master Unlimited. So this time we have taken part in a higher category. This car was actually taking part in the Skill 4000 category and it won the first prize last time. Somebody is revving out to glory over here, so you can hear that in the background. Kind of ironic along because it's in a car audio event, but yeah, it's a lot of fun. So here, I'll show you the car. So that's a Zapco audiophile grade amplifier, the 6-channel amplifier which is powering the 3-way speakers in front. Here is an Adair Audio subwoofer. That's a Zapco monoblock which is running the Adair Audio sub. And this is some branding. And we've also got a Arc Audio PS8 Pro Professional DSP in this car. So this is the Honda Accord. Again, we're showing you the speakers right now. There are 3-way active speakers installed in this setup. You can see there is the mid-range and the tweeter. And there are mid-range and tweeter there, and the speaker is in the stock location. So basically we have an excellent staged 3-way audio setup out here. We have professionally staged it this time, and let's hope for the best. So this is another model car. Basically this is a Chevrolet Cruze which we are taking part in the EMA competition with. This is in the sound quality entry 3000 category. This car is one of the cars we're taking part in. It's a complete custom installation. It has got 3 amplifiers, a DSP and a subwoofer with a 3-way setup. So this is one of the other cars we're taking part in. I'll show you the interiors. Basically, today we're going to show you all of these background scoops, basically what happens in the EMA competition and behind the scenes, who are the people involved and what's happening out here. So we will show you more. So this is another car we are taking part in with. This is a Hyundai i20 N-Line. This is freshly set up with a focal audio setup with Celestra amplifiers and an Arc Audio DSP. It has got 3-way focal speakers in front. We are taking part in the entry 3000 category with this car, and we will show you more as the progress happens in the day where the judges come in to evaluate the car. We have done a lot of last-minute upgrades and finishes to come to a perfect state with this car. So yes, as you can see, it's got the right amount of equipment to take part in an EMA competition in the entry-level category. So here we are having the master category judge who's come in to judge our car. He's giving it a listen to the system. Basically, the judges come and they do a test of how good the sound quality is, how the staging is, how to operate the music system. And beyond that, after that, we are going to also have a situation where they're going to come and check the installation, the wiring and everything. So this is in the master category. So right now we are having the judge take a demo, and let's hope for the best. The first round of judging is complete. The judge was quite impressed with our car. He said the staging was really good. He recommended some mild corrections also, which we have taken it as constructive criticism. It always, improves our knowledge and work. We strive for doing better every time. So the most important part of the judge coming and seeing the car is taking in the feedback from them, because this kind of expert feedback we can't get very easily. So we get a chance once in 6 months, once in a year. Earlier, there were no EMA or any professional competitions being organized in India. So we never had this opportunity. But today, we have that. So it all went well. And now the next round is going to be the checking of the installation and stuff. And yeah, I'll show you that too. Now the installation review has been completed. The judge has come and checked out this vehicle. They checked the installation which we have done, the quality of wiring, the connections, and all different things, angling of the speakers, whether things are strongly built, whether they are loose or not. So they've done their judging and they've given us points now. It's time to wait and see what happens. Tomorrow will be the results. So tomorrow evening we will know what has happened to this car.